Ever heard of a bridge loan? Today, we're breaking down this powerful but kind of tricky financial tool.
So picture this. You've found your dream home, but your cash is tied up in your old one. Now what?
This is exactly where bridge finance comes to the rescue. It's a temporary loan for a temporary money problem. Think of it like this. It literally builds a financial bridge over that cash gap for you. Let's see this in action. The loan lets our home buyer grab that Mumbai property right now. No waiting required. And hey, it's not just for people buying houses. Big companies use them too, especially during an IPO. You know, the whole IPO process can take ages. A bridge loan keeps the company running until the money comes in. Okay, but not all bridge loans are the same. You've really got to know the two main types. A closed loan has a set end date, so it's less risky and cheaper. Open loans are more flexible but cost more.
All right, this all sounds pretty great, right? So, what's the catch? Well, there's a big one. Here it is, that convenience costs you. Bridge loans almost always come with much higher interest rates. So let's do a quick recap. Bridge finance is a powerful short-term tool, but yeah, it's usually pretty expensive.
So it's a strategic choice, right? The real question is, when is crossing that bridge worth the cost?